Okay, sure. Fantastic. Close. They're almost the same thing. They can kind of almost be arguable to say the same thing.
In the previous lecture, we discussed the Compton effect, which is basically an increase in wavelength that takes place as a result of the collision
$69,210.32.
So let's look at the following example.
Well, it was fun while it lasted, little willies, but I'm going to have to start selling all my stuff to pay this medical bill. Anybody wants this ballistic gel hands from the garbage disposal video? You want to buy this garbage disposal? We're going to do a little garage sale. Classic American insurance. How about a laser baby? A toy fire truck that was used to train Jimmy Neutron
You
to
might
put out
find yourself
fires.
doing some of those things at this
Just one
point
of
in
those
time.
private
With different numbers.
George W. Bush Top Gun action figure. I bought it at Swap like 2 years ago. I guess I can get rid of these too. A bunch of Michael Reeves merchandise that he abandoned and left with me. I bought a bunch and then never sold it, and then now they're mine. Every single Michael Reeves nut shirt I sell will be personally signed by me, William Osmond. Thanks, Michael, for helping me pay my medical debt. I have an engineering degree, electrical and mechanical, and I would love to build my own medical equipment to prove that $69,000 is insane. I could build my own medical equipment for way cheaper than that, but I don't have time because I'm a slave to medical debt now. I have to sell all my things. I have to sell my friends'
Collisions between
belongings.
photons and electrons.
There's a new t-shirt too.
And we use X-rays. They're not just picture your hands.
And it's embroidered.
They are.
Cat pooping in a litter box. And
I wanted
I'll
to
sell
make
anything
sure.
I have in order to pay for it. And then we're going to slowly increase the current.
So if we plug those values, we get 2.43 times 10
Put your
to
gun down.
negative
What
3
just happened?
4, 3, 2.
Now we plug in an angle of 0 for this phi angle, and 1 minus cosine of 0 is 1 minus 1, and that gives us 0. So this quantity is 0, and 0 multiplied by this gives us 0 nanometers.
Mark your feet.
So,
core.
that
The
basically
Geiger counter is
means
very angry with us. This
when
is a good thing. It means we
our
made X-rays in the
when
garage.
the incident photon collides
We
with
made
the
X-rays.
electron
Let's celebrate
and
with an ice cream
continues
cone.
moving along the same
Megahertz.
horizontal pathway as shown in
Oh,
part
pretty
A,
close.
there's
Okay,
basically no
thank you.
interaction taking place between the
Filter
photon
did
and
nothing.
the electron.
Did
And
nothing.
that
Could I get
means
an ice cream
there
cone?
is no change in wavelength, there is no change in frequency, and there is no change in energy that takes place. The energy that the photon
We're generating
had
X-rays,
before
but we
the
still need to
collision
capture the
is
image.
equal to the
That's what
energy
this
the photon
intensifying
had
screen is
after
for.
the
Can you
collision.
guess where I
So
got
it's
it?
as if
We
the
can create an
photon
image
is
with the phosphor
invisible
screen.
to
When we
the
run X-rays
electron.
through
So
it,
once
they
again,
turn into
the
visible
fact
light in the
that the
phosphor,
change
and that
in
visible light can then
wavelength
be
is equal to
measured
zero
by us with either a
implies
camera
that
or with a
when
piece
the
of film.
photon goes
So if we stick our phosphor
directly
screen on the
straight
ground
through the
below the
electron
X-ray
at an angle
generator,
of zero,
and we put 4
no
soda
change in
cans on
frequency
top
takes
of it,
place.
and then put this
Now,
piece of
since
acrylic
there is
on
no
top
change
of that,
in frequency,
and then we put a
and
subject,
frequency
like
depends
maybe
on the
real
energy of the
human
photon,
finger bones
the
cast in
energy of the
ballistic gel. And when we
photon remains
blast X-rays
constant,
through it, we
and
should
the
see this
photon
film
does not
glow with the
actually
shadow
interact
of finger bones
with
cast
that
on it. That's
electron.
cool. That tell me that's not
Let's move
cool.
on.
Let's fire off some
Interesting.
X-rays right now and see if we can get the sheet
Get
to
all
glow
those
at all.
electrons in
Right
such
here,
a way.
set the A7S to a
They
15-second
are
shutter
so we
at
want to
64,000
gas
ISO.
filter.
change
Alright,
in
I will
wavelength
on.
Tear
when
gas.
that collision takes place.
Alright,
But
I think we
now,
got a picture.
the
Oh,
angle
MIT,
is
everyone hear them
45
talk about
totally have an
collisions and the
image.
kids
That
don't
is
know what they're
so
talking
cool.
about.
So
The contrast is
See how that
really
was-
bad, but I wonder if we can fix that in
Good
Photoshop.
collisions.
by
Collisions
one
we want
minus
after
I
they
think this is
move
really
in
amazing.
direction.
I mean, this is an actual
Do you not
X-ray
like
of
that?
real
If I
human
use it
bones.
for
This
leverage, will
is
it
my magnum
move you
opus.
one way or the
The
other?
most
If I
dangerous
going back to the gas
contraption I
chamber?
have
or the
ever
shift
built.
in
It's an
wavelength
actual
that
working
takes
X-ray
place
machine
when
made out of
that collision
garbanzo
between the
beans,
photon
baked
and
Looking
weed,
volunteers.
canned
place.
tuna, New
So to
England clam
find
chowder,
the
a piece of leaded
wavelength
glass,
of
an
this scattered
intensifying
X-ray in
screen, a
part
broken
B,
dental
we take
X-ray
this
head, and a
quantity
power
and
supply that
add it
came
to
out of a college lab and has been beaten to the brink of death. There's something I want to talk to you guys about.
Do you know
Safety.
Penn's
In the relative
you get
nature, because
anybody
I
in
can
here,
already
like,
feel
this
the
cowboy
safety
did
nerd 2 feet
$300
up in my butt, and I'm
stimulus
gonna
check,
lose
bought a
it.
droid,
This
come in here,
is
put
dangerous,
$300
but
of
it's
it
not
on
that dangerous.
on
Have you ever been in
Eagles,
a car?
charging
Have you
it
ever been
on,
to the doctor
boot
or
barn,
doctor?
model of it. Whoa, those are things I don't like that
Let's talk
direction.
about
Those are
the
bad
radiation
things.
exposure.
So we
CT
plug in
scanner. What
90,
is
we
radiation?
have 1
X-ray.
minus cosine
Do
of 90
statistically
multiplied
increasing
by
odds
this,
of getting
and that gives
cancer
us
later
about
Statistically, if you limit your exposure to a
God's
minimum,
butt next to
you
God
are
tank.
perfect.
Right.
This is why X-rays are allowed for medical purposes. And the small number of
Down here,
stray
field theory,
X-rays that
right,
do
right,
end up leaving the setup and hitting me or anybody near here are nothing compared to getting on an airplane, getting a CT scan, getting an X-ray, or just living your life.
Can you catch the rabbit?
That being said, I'm still going to put this iron dome around the whole thing because it's going to look